What is up, guys? We're here at the Yellow Creek Trout Club, and we're out here catching tree branches. Let me get this undone for you.
I don't know what it is.
We got an old lure that's busted up, some old line, and a stick. So we're gonna probably pitch this because that's garbage. And we'll throw the stick back. Yeah, we're over here just trying to get hammer trout. So far caught one. I'll clip that one in. Just got a release video on that one. And yeah, she's using spinners and I have my fly rod. Right now we're hitting this spot because, well, the sun's out and she wants to follow the sun. So, and hopefully we get bit. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're just rolling with a squirmy wormy on the 5 weight. Figure at the Trout Club, so all stock fish. I can't imagine a squirmy wormy is a bad option. What? Yeah. That was I think it was one of those brook trout. Oh wow. I've only caught brook trout today. Yeah. I've been looking for a big rainbow.
You know what Campbell's is?
Yeah.
Go down there. I caught winning this morning. All rainbows, big.
Huh. Uh-huh. Okay. Go. Fish number 2. Got ourselves a little brook trout. Took the blood dart egg pretty deep, so I'm gonna have to get that out of his mouth. There we go. Oh, do you see that? That's a hammer. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a big one. That's a big fish. Let's go. Woo! Let's go. Oh. Come on. No! Come on! Big brown. Whew. That's a toad. That's an absolute toad. Nice brown in the net, probably 18, 19 inches. Caught him on the blood dot egg. Gonna get him unhooked and keep fishing. Alright, switch rods real quick. Oh yeah, big in. I think it's a rainbow, yep. Big rainbow on the spinner. Just gotta play this right. Nice, unhooked himself too. There he is. See you, buddy. And back he goes. There we go, on another. I wandered too far away from my net. The brook trout on the egg, cream egg. Nice fish. See you, buddy. Nice. Alright guys, so that's the end of that one. We ended up getting on a few fish over at the Trout Club. She ended up just getting on some stick fish, but you know, you'll have that from time to time. But hope you guys liked the video. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys next time.